Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on IG Crypto. And if you want to demo trade, we go right here to IG Crypto Demo, and then you can click right here on this link. Then he will send you automatically right here to this page. And now you need to know that you need to fill in your first name, last name, create yourselves a username, fill in the password, then fill in right here your email address, select your country of residence, and then click here on no. Then you click on try or demo, and then you will send right here to this page right there. Then what we're going to do is if you want to trade with CFD or SB demos, you select right here on open platform. And if you want to trade demo with options, you can click here on open platform. Then right now we select here for CFD open platform, and then he will send us right here to this page. And then right here, we are now here on the IG Crypto platform. And if you want to buy something, we select right here cryptocurrency and then search for something. So let's go to Ethereum. And then right now, what we're going to do right here is we select right here how many contracts we want to buy. So let's do a contract of 4. That is fine because 4 is the minimum. So we do right here 4. And then we select here buy because we want to buy. If you want to sell, you click right here on sell. And then you can add a stop loss on it if you want to do this by clicking on this point and then throw it to where you want to put the stop loss on, or you can do this for a limit price. So for now, nothing is fine. And if you want to do risk management, create yourself a stop and a limit order. And then right now we click here on place deal. Deal confirmed, buy 4 contracts. So now if you go right here to positions, you find right here or position for Ethereum. So if we go back and we select right here US 500, you can also do this for this position. Here in the top, you see here your available balance with the profit loss and the funds. If you want to manage your funds, you can also set it right here to a maximum of that. So let's do something like this, and now we added right here a lot of more money to our account. So that is where you can deposit. Then right now you can also click here on signals or see your history right there or create alerts. But this is in a nutshell how you can demo trade right here on IG Markets. If you have any questions about demo trading on IG Markets, please comment it right here below, and then I can help you out in the comment section. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.